In Spain, over 50% of all the sanitary staff are female. However, only 20% of them occupy a high-ranking position. I didn't want to believe that statistic. In our clinic, Clínica Tambre, over 90% of our workers are female and half of them are mother. And you know what? All our departments are led by them. We Tambre female are fighters, we are directors, we are mothers, we are engines of change. We Tambre women are unstoppable. We Tambre women are constant and precise. We Tambre women take care of our patients. We Tambre women support other women. We Tambre women have everything calculated. We Tambre women are creative. We Tambre women have everything under control. We Tambre women have fought to be where we are now. In a day as important as today, we visualize a promising future. Without forgetting the road we walk together. Here at Tambre, we are proud of ourselves, we are strong. And this is the way we are. We couldn't imagine ourselves being any different.